Are you wondering if this mini drone actually has got internal GPS? So, by the way, when it comes to the model numbers, they actually go under different model numbers, but again, this is identical drone on each model number, just maybe the packaging for the box is different since they have different sellers. So, when it comes to the GPS, actually this drone doesn't have GPS, which is a bit sad essentially. Also, if you maybe see some listings that try to sell this drone, in some of them basically even on AliExpress, I see that sometimes they even mention somewhere something about GPS. So again, if you're wondering if this drone has GPS, then none of them actually have GPS. So again, none of these models, so no matter what it says in these listings, will actually have GPS. And also when it comes to the range, basically which this drone can cover, then also in some listings claims you can get like maybe like 1 kilometer range or something like that, but again that's complete nonsense. So the actual range you can get on these drones is only around maybe 20 to 30 meters, maybe a bit further if you have clear line of sight, but again like a reliable range where the remote and the drone will work perfectly again is maximum, I would say, like 20 to 30 meters. So again, so you need to be careful when you purchase a drone, because basically the claims in some of those seller listings are absolutely ridiculous. Also you see they even say this has got 8K camera, but again this is not 8K or even 4K or even full HD camera. So again, it's obviously a very basic camera. So again, that also is a lie about this drone. But if you actually compare basically all these cheap drones, then in my opinion this is really by far really the best drone out there. So we have very good stability, basically very good build quality. So again, it's very durable. I have crashed this drone maybe literally 100 times already in a few weeks, and again it's mega durable. So again, it's pretty much impossible to destroy. The camera quality, I would say, is actually like fairly decent for a cheap drone, so you can definitely use it for a bit of fun. Also remote control basically is very good on this drone as well, and everything for its price this drone costs, I think it's absolutely fantastic. So I can still actually highly suggest this drone despite it lacking GPS and the range as well. Still, I think it's a very fun drone and easily the best this kind of budget drone. So again, if you want to get the best price, simply check out the special discount links in description and comments. So again, I literally personally paid only a bit over $10 for mine, and also that is with free shipping on AliExpress. So again, for this price, I think it's absolutely ridiculously good drone, and you should actually definitely buy. Again, at this price, again, it's pretty much impossible to get anything better than this one, so it's definitely worth way more than the price suggests. Anyway, good luck.